Well, this morning we had some storms that caused damage through parts of Siouxland. Check out this video from Wakanda, South Dakota. The straight line winds were reported this morning. Wind gusts clocked at 60 to 70 miles per hour. Their barn was filled with classic cars and antique campers. As you can see, the roof was ripped right off. And we spoke with the owner today. He said while the storm was rolling through, he and his family were taking shelter in the basement. To find out if they plan to rebuild, we'll have their story coming up tonight at 6.